So I'll start off with these smaller windows. If I'm a little bit slow, it's because I haven't been using the 0 degrees at all. It's the first time I've ever actually used them, and so if I'm a bit slow, please understand. It's a bit of a learning curve, but they seem to clean the windows okay here. And in these smaller windows, it's a little bit deeper there on the edge, so when I close out, I have to close out in the dirt, in like that. So here we are. I'll just give it a quick scrub, using the 12-inch one this time as well. I'll show you how it goes on the glass here. Here's a 0 degree, and as I said, if I'm doing it incorrectly, just say so. I've never really used a 0 degree, and there you go. And finally, with the 12-inch 0 degree, we'll do it on bigger glass on a pole. And it seems to go quite okay. The angle depth is at 90 degrees, and it seems to go quite well. So okay, I'll just scrub this quickly, and this time I'm going to use an 18-inch one with the 0 degree swivel and see how that goes. It's quite easy to manoeuvre. Just a matter of just twisting the pole, and seems to work quite well. I'll just move on to squeegeeing with the 18-inch squeegee to scrub it up, and as you can see, it just moves, and it's quite easy to do even with an 18-inch. And well, I suppose that's about it.